driving up this little mountain. That ain't creepy. It has power to it, so it must be habitable. Alright. We gotta go all the way up this mountain, I think. Oh, that's cabins and more cabins. Oh, wow. It's a big dip, first of all. That's not what I'm saying. That is wow. What was that? Oh, it wasn't playing. Whoa! Oh. Oh! They put these dips here on purpose. There's no way there's that many dips. I'm not dipping out on a few dips. I got my hiking bags. Oh, day. Whoa. Okay, I'm paying attention though, by the way. Let me stay to the right a little bit. That looks a little bit easier. I need a truck out here. I really should. So I would have hiked this joint. I don't want it to hike though, for real. I gotta go back to this. It's only open till sundown. So I'm trying to get there before the sun go down. That's just something stuck under my car. Yeah, because I don't hear it no more, thank the Lord. That was a scary sound. Car was ticking. Let's see what we're looking at. I'm half a mile from the location. Oh man, I can see what I'm gonna be looking at. Treacherous. My car is not made for these roads. Can't be doing too many of these trips. Yo, I swear I can get stuck right there. It's gonna be even scarier if it's dark. I got headlights for that. Only 1/10 of a mile, by the way. Dang. I was hoping I was there. I need to take off sport. Going to we on the eco. I should go on the snow mode on them. Alright, now we off-roading. I got views from left to right. We got 4 more times a mile to go. It wasn't half a mile, it was 0.6 actually. The Jones Pine, the Love Pine. Oh, I feel that. My tires feel it, I feel it. I think Jones is the one who owns the tower. Grandpappy, I believe, was the president of the bank in town. And then the bank was bought out by Summit. We got visitors. The bank was bought out by Summit, and then you got some stock money. Or that, it had stock in it. So you said since it was made in Highland. Okay, that means somebody is back here, but not in that vehicle. There's a pond over here. It was made in Highland. They wanted to keep it in Highland, so he bought the fire tower out of disassembled to put on property. And they got a lot of property because it's a long driveway or a long whatever. They got little ponds and stuff. Random trucks out here, but it's open to the public 365 days a year, from sun up to sundown. And the sun is still up, but the higher you are, the later the sun sets. I have learned. So
in 600 feet, your destination will be on the right.
I still got to trek to it. I still got to hump it, I think. I don't see nothing. And for 150, I don't see no tower, no nothing. But maybe it's, oh, there it is. Yeah, you're gonna climb that way. There's a couple people out here. This is what we got.
Your destination is on the right.
Everybody backed in, so I'm gonna back in too. Let's check it out.